Hey guys, Pat here. Today we are unboxing the Jonsbo U4 case and I'm pretty excited for this one. It's got a few cool features, but it is going to be the next build for my wife's computer, so I'm pretty excited to put that all together. And as you know, or may have known and checked out my other videos, I've got a whole heap of water cooling gear left over from my last build, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into this case. I'm going to see if I can fit it. So there's a few things coming up, but right now let's get unboxing. So first of all, it is what it is. It's a box. It's very small, but let's have a look at what's inside. We have L-type body, U-type body. I don't know what that means. I would really like to find out. Got a 120mm fan at the front. We've got PCI slots, front fan rack, magnetic filter. I like those. Cases that don't come with it are getting rarer and rarer. And obviously this is probably the most exciting part, the tempered glass side panel. Now that is something I wish my P5 over there would have. Is it a P3 or a P5? Anyway, one of them, they look exactly the same. I think the P5 has a tempered glass. In any case, the tempered glass front would be absolutely amazing because that plastic is it's just cheap. It looks terrible. It used to look nice, obviously, because they had it, but so did like very bright green colors do, but they don't anymore. Times have changed. Anyway, tempered glass is the way to go, so I'm super keen to check this out, and it has a power button, plus I/O. Can't go wrong with that. So let's unbox it. I have also my screwdriver, so I should be able to actually put it together if there is anything that needs to be put together, but I'm expecting it to be a one solid part, unlike the Thermaltake P3 or 5 over there. So let's get going. Ooh. Black, smooth, and absolutely beautiful. Check that out. Wow, Jonsbo has really upped his game. This is gorgeous. Like, okay, I'm looking at the tempered glass side here, so that's probably why, but check that out. No fingerprint marks yet. It's beautiful. They've got a little warning here, handle with care, tempered glass, and that finish on the top. That curve right there. Wow. Man, that looks good. That looks absolutely good. And I don't know if you can see it, but just in here, a little bit of red. Something in here. It's obviously the tray bottom bit for your PSU is in there. You can kind of see it through the tempered glass. Nicely cut out for the I/O. The button is nice and clicky. We've got a USB here. It's probably obviously the fast one, and here, and we've got audio, which surprisingly a lot of people still use. Unlike obviously Apple products, these things still have the audio jack, including the microphone jack. We've got little screws here to actually remove it. So I don't know if I should. I think I will. Little rubber grommets there too. And over here. And over here. Okay, I don't want that to fall, so I'm just gonna hold it a little bit. And my fingerprints are gonna get onto it. How do I take it off? There we go. Just pure glass, beautiful glass. So I'm going to put that to the side. As you can see, it's got a little black tint around the edges there to hide this panel here. And yes, it is red inside. That is so bloody nice. That looks so nice. Look at that. That's pure alloy, some sort of alloy. Looks light. Front, very nice. And we've got plenty of I/O here to plug it all in. And that red inside is absolutely fantastic. Magnetic filter is in here too. Don't know how to get to it, but I'm guessing I have to take off this whole front bit here, and I'm not going to do that right now, but this is some real nice colors right here. Very gorgeous. So I'm really excited to put a build into it, put some sort of system in here, and I am super wondering what I can fit in here. But let's have a look at what's in here. There's probably some little extras, probably some mounting gear. We've got some cable runs, stickies, some screws, and other tidbits to mount your motherboard, and cable ties. Fantastic. Jonsbo has provided quite a bit of gear here to get you up and running. We've got instructions and everything like that. Now this does come in silver actually, but the red, I mean, personally I like red. Like, as you can see, I sit on a red chair, but red looks real stylish. I don't think you can see it quite through the tempered glass. It's not actually particularly that see-through, but I think once it lights up inside with some RGBs, you will definitely get to see that red. And I cannot tell you how nice that metal here feels. And that little pattern is actually quite stylish. It has this kind of like matte scratched into it. And I'll get some very close-up shots right now, so enjoy. Guys, thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing. As I said, I've got huge plans for this case. There's lots of things coming up, so stay tuned, stay subscribed, like, dislike, let me know what you think, and let me know what I should put in this. I mean, I've got some ideas, but, you know, we're still starting off fresh. Whatever you guys say, I'll see if I can do. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.